Good morning children. Next we are going to see exercise 10.3. This is based on chain rule. This concept already we have studied in second exercise. In some of the problems we studied. Now this is completely for using chain rule. Let us continue the problem. In our book in examples lot of steps are given, but we are going to see these problems in shortcut. Okay. You consider this base as x children. X power n. Okay, x power n differentiation is n x power n minus 1. That concept only you are going to apply. So differentiating with respect to x on both sides, left hand side will be dy by dx and the right hand side is 5 in front, that is power in front 5. X will remain as it is 5 minus 1, that is 4. Okay, you should write this base as it is, no change in this base. Okay, n x power n minus 1. So x remains as it is. Power only reduced by 1. Okay, the base அப்படியே தான் இருக்கும். Now we are going to continue the process by using chain rule. Chain rule no already I informed you to proceed in product. Is it not? So in product we are going to differentiate this entire function. ஓகே, முதல்ல பண்ணும்போது பவர் முன்னாடி எடுத்துகிட்டு வரணும், பவர் ஒன்று ரெடியூஸ் பண்ணணும், இந்த பேஸ் அப்படியே தான் எழுதணும். அதுக்கப்புறம் தான் செயின் ரூலில் ப்ரொசீட் பண்ணணும். இங்கேயே நீங்கள் டிஃப்ரென்ஷியேட் பண்ணக்கூடாது, இதுக்கு பக்கத்தில் தான் டிஃப்ரென்ஷியேஷன் வரணும். ஓகே, டிஃப்ரென்ஷியேஷன் ஆஃப் எக்ஸ் ஸ்கொயர் இஸ் 2x. தட் இஸ் எக்ஸ் ஸ்கொயர் அப்படின்னா 2 முன்னாடி வந்துடும், எக்ஸ் பவர் 2 மைனஸ் 1, அதாவது 2x ஹோல் பவர் 1 வரும், 1 எழுத மாட்டோம், 2xன்னு ஆன்சர் கொடுப்போம். டிஃப்ரென்ஷியேஷன் ஆஃப் எக்ஸ் ஸ்கொயர் இஸ் 2x. ஓகே ஓகே, and differentiation put plus as per the problem put plus. Differentiation of 4x is 4, just 4, and put plus differentiation of constant is 0, that we need not write. Okay, and 5x square plus 4x plus 6 whole power 4, 5 minus 1 is 4, into 2x plus 4. Okay, this is the answer, and you are going to leave the answer with this children. If you want, you can write one more step like this: constant, linear function, and then this function x square plus 4x plus 6 whole power 4. Okay, this is the answer. Question number 2 in the same topic is y equal to tan 3x. Y equal to tan 3x. We know that differentiation of tan is secant square. Just the secant square will come and this argument will come as it is, and differentiation of this argument in chain rule. If it is secant square x na, secant square x அப்படியே இருக்கும், but x placeல 3x இருக்கு. So differentiation should be continued by using chain rule. Chain rule continue ஆகும்போது பக்கத்தில் வரும், இங்கே நீங்கள் 3ன்னு எழுதக்கூடாது, 3x அப்படியே இங்கே எழுதிட்டு அதுக்கப்புறம் தான் it should be continued in chain rule. So 3x differentiation is 3. Okay, so the answer for this question is 3 secant square 3x. In all our example questions, some different steps are given. If it is possible to understand that you can follow. Otherwise, you can use the shortcut method. Nothing wrong. Okay. See the third problem. This is question number 3. Y equal to cos of tan x. Trigonometric function inside trigonometric function. Okay. So in differentiating with respect to x, dy by dx. Cos differentiation is minus sign of what you are having here, x, tan x. In the place x இருந்தா என்ன வருமோ அது அப்படியே தான் எழுதணும், and it should be continued in chain rule. ஓகேவா, sin x இருந்தா sin x, sin of tan x தான் tan x எழுதி தான் proceed பண்ணும். Tan x differentiation is secant square x. That's all. So the process is over, and so your answer is minus secant square x into sin of tan x. That's all. Minus secant square in front I am writing, and sin of tan x I am writing at the back. Since everything in product, I can interchange the terms. Is it clear pa? Any doubt? Cos oda differentiation மட்டும் தான் முதல்ல பண்ணணும், அதோட ஆர்குமெண்ட் அப்படியே வரும். cos x அப்படின்னா sin x, x பிளேஸில் என்ன இருந்தாலும் அது அப்படியே தான் நீங்கள் எழுதணும், அதுக்கப்புறம் தான் அது என்ன ஃபங்க்ஷனோ அதை டிஃப்ரென்ஷியேட் பண்ணணும். ஓகேவா, இது டேனுன்னு இருக்கிறதால டேனை டிஃப்ரென்ஷியேட் பண்ணுறோம். ரைட், சில பேர் என்ன பண்ணுவாங்க, காசையும் பண்ணிக்குவாங்க, டேனையும் பண்ணி இங்கேயே சீக்கன் ஸ்கொயர் எழுதுவாங்க. தட் இஸ் அப்சல்யூட்லி ராங். ஓகே காஸ் டிஃப்ரென்ஷியேஷன் மட்டும்தான் பண்ணணும் அதோட ஆர்குமெண்ட் அப்படியே வரும் அதுக்கப்புறம் ப்ரொசீட் பை செயின் ரூல் அண்ட் ரைட் சீக்கன்ட் ஸ்கொயர் ஃபார் tan x ஓகே clear continue the next question fourth question y equal to cubic root of 1 plus x cube is the question this can be written as 1 plus x cube index form la எழுதிருங்கப்பா radical symbol can be removed and you can write it in index form 1 by root 1 by 3 cubic root is nothing but whole power 1 by 3 now you can apply x power n formula n x power n minus 1 n here is 1 by 3 n x what is x this entire function is x power n minus 1 see ma power in front power minus 1 that is power 1 by 3 in front 1 plus x cube whole power n minus 1 n வந்து 1 by 3 minus 1 ஓகேவா இப்போ இங்க நம்ம செயின் ரூல்ல ப்ரோசீட் பண்ணனும் என்ன பண்ணனும் இந்த பார்ட் வந்து செயின் ரூல்ல டிஃபரன்ஷியேட் ஆகும் ஓகே 1 ஓட டிஃபரன்ஷியேஷன் 0 plus x cube differentiation is what x cube differentiation is 3x power 3 minus 1 that is 3x square okay va so 3x square actually இதெல்லாம் வந்து ஸ்டெப் இல்லாம டைரக்ட்டா நேர்த்திக்கு போடணும் because we have finished one exercise okay so chain rule process is over now we are going to give your answer children 0 plus 3x square is 3x square 3x square into 1 by 3 3x square into 1 by 3 into 1 plus x cube whole power simplify this minus 2 by 3 1 minus 3 by 3 minus 2 by 3 is the power this 3 and that 3 we can cancel and you can give your answer as x square into 1 plus x cube whole power minus 2 by 3 that's all this is the answer for fourth question is it clear is there any doubt okay ma let us move to next question number 5 y is equal to e power root x when you do this e power root x we know that e power x is e power x differentiate with respect to x e power x okay but instead of x we have some other function differentiate it by chain rule what is the formula for root x if you do not know the formula for root x we can do it in rough column okay x power 1 by 2 differentiation பண்ணோம்னா x power n formula ல போடலாம் n x power n minus 1 okay n here is 1 by 2 x power 1 by 2 minus 1 1 by 2 x power half minus 1 minus half 1 by 2 x power minus half if you take to the denominator x power plus half that is nothing but 1 by 2 x power half can be written as root x so the formula for root x in differentiation is 1 by 2 root x okay so the answer is e power root x by 2 root x you cannot cancel this power and this root x that's just this answer is there any doubt is it clear yes let us move to the next question now see children the next question is y equal to sine of e power x sine oda argument e power x whatever it may be the argument differentiation of y is dy by dx sine differentiation is cos of x will come as it is x பிளேஸ்ல என்ன இருக்கோ அது அப்படியே வரணும் திரும்ப திரும்ப சொன்னதே தான் நம்ம சொல்றோம் இந்த ஆர்குமெண்ட்ல என்ன இருக்கோ அது அப்படியே வரும் and proceed it with chain rule e power x differentiation is e power x that's all okay so the answer is e power x into cos of e power x that's all okay or you can write it like this also one minute எங்கெல்லாம் differentiation chain rule போட்டோமோ அங்கெல்லாம் வேணும்னா நீங்க இந்த மாதிரி கூட போடலாம் e power root x and differentiation of root x அப்படின்னு ஒரு ஸ்டெப் எழுதிட்டு அதுக்கு அப்புறம் இதோட டிஃபரன்ஷியேஷனை கூட எழுதி காமிக்கலாம் ஓகே அதே மாதிரி தான் இங்கேயும் என்னன்னா cos of e power x and differentiation of e power x அப்படின்னு சொல்லிட்டு அடுத்த ஸ்டெப் கூட இப்படி எழுதலாம் cos of e power x into differentiation of e power x is e power x அப்படின்னு ஒரு ஸ்டெப் எழுதலாம். You can write it directly or you can follow this step or your book method you can follow. Okay, and so this is the answer for question number 6. Is it clear? Look here, this is question number 7. Capital F of x equal to x cube plus 4x whole power 7. How will you proceed this? Again, this is like question number 1 only. Treat this entire base as x whole power n. Okay, x power n, the formula is n x power n minus 1. So you are going to bring this 7 to the front. Before that, the differentiation of f of x is f dash of x, and bring this power to the front as per formula 7 x cube plus 4x, this base will remain as it is, whole power 7 minus 1, that is 6, and proceed this with chain rule, that is differentiation of x cube plus 4x divided by, that is with respect to x, differentiation of this with respect to x. So 7 into x cube plus 4x will come as it is power 6, 7 minus 1 is 6, and differentiation we are going to start now. How will you differentiate x cube? 3x square, power முன்னாடி எடுத்துன்னு வந்தனும், பவரில் ஒன்று ரெடியூஸ் பண்ணணும், plus differentiation of kx k, differentiation of 4x 4, that's all. So your answer is 7 into 3x square plus 4 into x cube plus 4x whole power 6, that's all. Capital F dash of x. Clear? Okay, now see question number 8. Look here children, here h of t is equal to t minus 1 by t whole power 3 by 2. Now we are going to differentiate with respect to t pa. This is different. Anyhow, the left hand side is h dash of t. Differentiation. Right hand side is x power n. This is x whole power n. N x power n minus 1. N x is nothing but t minus 1 by t whole power n minus 1, that is 3 by 2 minus 1. Proceed it with chain rule. Okay, that is nothing but differentiation of t minus 1 by t with respect to t. Okay, differentiation of t minus 1 by t with respect to t. இது நீங்கள் எழுதாமல் டைரெக்டாக differentiate பண்ணி கூட எழுதலாம். Okay, so 3 by 2 will come as it is, t minus 1 by t whole power, subtract ma, 3 minus 2, 1 by 2 will come. Okay, and how about this differentiation with the differentiation of t with respect to t? 1. Differentiation of x 1. Differentiation of t 1. Minus 1 by t. How will you differentiate this? If you do not know, follow the steps. 1 by t. 1 by t, if you differentiate, you can take it to numerator. It becomes t power minus 1. So x power n formula can be applied. N in front, n x power n minus 1 is the formula, no? So formula padi இந்த n முன்னாடி எடுத்துன்னு வரணும். X power n minus 1, that is t power n minus 1. n என்னங்க minus 1. So minus 1 t power minus 2. So minus 1 by t square. So for 1 by t, the differentiation is minus 1 by t square. Okay, for 1 by t, the answer is minus 1 by t square. Clear? So already one minus, here one minus, so write it carefully. 3 by 2, t minus 1 by t whole power half, 1 minus of minus plus 1 by t square, that's all. Okay, that's all children. Is there any doubt here? This is the differentiation of this question. Any doubt?